The week ahead. Major averages all made new highs on Friday. The most important thing for us, and remember, our focus is on short-term trading. The immediate references as we come into Friday night and Monday morning are going to be first, the afternoon pullback low from Friday. If there is to be any short-term trade or change, you will find acceptance down below the pullback low from Friday. The next reference would be the top of the gap from Friday, and of course, following that would be the filling of the gap. If the gap is filled, the next reference is the pullback low from Thursday afternoon. Sometimes markets become too long to go any higher, and they need to break before they can rally. I think the odds are fairly good that we're going to see some retesting of the gap and possibly the upper distribution from Thursday. Thursday's upper distribution was one of the weakest I have seen, a very strange distribution. It looks like a combination of Thursday and Friday were mostly driven by short covering, even though the averages made new highs. And it may be that there were just an awful lot of shorts that were forced out of the market. What's important here is to put your biases aside. The first bias you're likely to have is there is no excess on the all-time high. That is important, but remember, sometimes you have to break before you can rally, and you have to get the inventory back into a more normal balance. I don't have anything more specific other than to remind you, you're short-term traders, keep your biases aside. Have a great trading week.